like we are RVing. Where are we going, Leo?
To an RV show.
To an RV show? Leo, where are we going?
An RV show.
An RV show? Very cool.
Uni bear. Uni bear.
All right, I made it to where we were going to meet up. So now all of us are in the vehicle together.
McDonald's. It wasn't a secret. McDonald's is where we met up.
Y'all ready, girls?
Yeah.
Ready for an RV show?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Oh, your ball!
It says do not step.
Right, and y'all both step. That's beautiful. What'd you find?
It's a real song.
A good old muddy Arkansas rock.
I want to get one.
Anything.
Oh, there's not. I'll find one. There's not a big one.
What are you going to do with that thing while we're in there walking around?
Did you see what number we were?
Put it in your pocket. Put it in Mama's pocket.
Lily, I'm not. No, hey,
I'll put it in Daddy's pocket.
let me see that rock. We're not putting that in a pocket, babe. That thing's huge.
I think you could put it in my pocket. But it's my rock, remember? Mama.
Well, you're not going to carry that rock around the RV show. You're not going to want to. It'll be heavy.
Yeah, let me put my rock in her pocket.
You got that right? All right, let's go see some RVs.
Yeah!
Hand, 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 hand.
Got it. You don't gotta worry about anything. Okay, well,
That's not good. It's perfection. Hey, look, it's Bill Clinton and Elvis. Yeah.
I didn't know Bill Clinton. Who painted those? Dad, who painted those?
You painted that baby.
That's pretty good.
Can you hold your 9-pound coat for a second?
Sorry.
Did you tell Dad why it weighs 9 pounds?
Because there's a big heavy rock of wheels. Oh, you can hold 9 pounds.
What is it? Oh, giant sailor? Let's go there and see some of
I
this.
think of that.
And then we'll see what else we got time for. Thank you. So, do we have a plan of attack?
Not yet.
Wow. This is smaller than what we've got.
I thought it was bigger.
No,
like
I don't
this
think so.
one.
Did you hear him talking about
I think-
Treasure Lake RV Resort
I
in
think-
Branson? It's almost like a timeshare. You got to listen to him on his spiel up there. But 4 days, 3 nights, they've got a gigantic outdoor pool, 500 sites, miniature golf, racquetball, tennis.
Oh.
Yeah.
We'll check it out.
So
Yeah, can we
in
go?
Branson, yeah, we can go.
Yay! Wait, when? What's that tomorrow?
Not tomorrow. No. All right, let's go
So
find
this
something.
one wouldn't work for us full time, and because the kids.
You can tell by looking on the outside. We got to find one that has a window. Remember that we're looking for a bunk.
Right.
Yeah.
One that has a bedroom, kind of a bedroom area in the back and the bedroom in the front. We want to be able to separate a little bit.
And like mommy and daddy can't really get out of bed and walk into the living room because of this.
Because we're in the living room.
And we're sleeping right here, so y'all can't. You'll have to sit up right
We
here.
have to be quiet. And there's, you know, have you noticed there's not even a place to watch a movie in this RV? Oh.
Yeah.
I would think a sleep number bed would be awesome if you're RVing full time.
Yeah. We don't RV full time now, and we don't have a sleep number bed.
Well, that's true.
Coming up.
Oh wow!
It actually has
I
a
bet that would be handy.
closet in there.
Look, all the knobs lit.
I'm stuck.
Well, then get down.
I can't. I'm stuck.
Okay, I'll help you.
Okay, now I got down. Okay, I like this bed. This is fun.
Look at the pantry. The
There's a
storage.
pantry.
It's a lot of storage. I mean, they say
And we have a bathroom right
as much
here.
storage as you can get, right?
Bathroom right here. Look.
The bathroom is nice.
And there's an exit.
Especially, and there's a door to the outside.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Plus, what they they talk about these being mounted flat against the wall, so you can lean forward in the seat
Is that
without
one?
hitting your. And it is. No, I don't think there's a cabinet or anything behind
Oh
it.
my god! Wait, I'm gonna go.
This one seems nice.
I like this one.
I do too.
Can you not figure out how to get to the next step? Is that hard?
Yeah. It's hard. Okay.
Go ahead, you got it. There you go.
Got up here.
You got it? I bet you would learn really fast how to do it.
Liam, I want the bottom. I want the bottom book.
So it's just one big slide.
I want the bottom book.
It is one big slide.
I like
You
the
do
bottom.
like the bottom?
I like the top. It's comfy. Look
Maybe
at
y'all
it.
can switch off.
I like the top. Yeah, we can switch.
It has a
I
good
like
sized
this.
fridge. Look how big that fridge is. That's a lot bigger than the one in ours.
Oh, well, Lord, yes. And an open Coke there if you need it.
I want the top. Actually, I want the top. This one's cool though. The bottom's really cool though.
Side has what now?
Well, it's got the little hot plate. It's got a fridge. It's got a sink.
Oh, yeah.
And I guess this isn't actually a sink. This is a little crisper or something. Okay.
Maybe this one. Okay, let's go in there. No. This one.
This one's too big. Oh, cool.
Yay! Yay! But how do we take? Oh,
There's no ladder for right now. Just don't climb up there.
bottom bunk. Yeah.
It's much different. Look at the layout, like the kitchen on the wall. Look,
I like the bottom.
up against the bedroom. And then the couch and stuff here.
This one seems tight. You know?
Yeah.
Okay, I think she heard
But we do get a free Yeti cooler if we buy it today.
Well, there you go.
us.
It's probably not what I want, but I do want that cooler.
You're such a goofball. All right, girls, let's go check out another one.
The Candyland! Candyland! It's fun.
But to me, storage anywhere is awesome, right?
Yeah, the storage is. Yeah.
It's a fridge.
I mean, would that be good for like the linen stuff, the kids' stuff? Look at all the storage above the top too.
It's a fridge.
See, and I like
Hey,
that.
open it, Leah. Let's see inside.
And I like that other one that had that one. This was open.
I did too. That was nice. There's no way that pops out or something, does it? For storage, is there
I
anything?
can pop anything out.
Maybe don't pop it out, but
I can cut a hole in it.
I did like
Modify it.
that bunk over there that did have the storage. You could just shove like 4 totes underneath that.
Oh, you could shove 10 totes under this.
Right.
And yeah, well, I mean, it may not pop out.
Dad, what'd you say?
It's all about customization.
What'd you say?
I'm sure you can customize anything, huh?
Yeah.
Can you open the door
It
behind you? I
sells
want to see inside there. Did you notice that one had a stand-up shower, which I thought was kind of neat because it kind of opened it up?
I like.
You like this one?
I like the space.
It does seem more spacious than some of them we've been in.
Where'd the girls go?
It's a good size fridge too.
Where did the girls go though?
Girls?
We're here.
Wah!
Hi. We like this one. Yeah.
You do like that one?
Dark and a whole bit.
Let's see if there's any room in the bathroom. That one didn't. Oh, that does. That does.
And look, we know how to turn on the light.
Well, good job.
It's like, hello.
Little medicine cabinet.
How is that? The bathroom big? We're here.
It's much bigger than that last one.
This one
yeah.
is. This one has some space. I like
I like
this.
this.
What about the bedroom? Does
I
the
like
bedroom
this
have space in it?
television, too.
And there's a television. You have to check out later what you want to see.
I do like these that have the big windows. You know, some of them have such small windows.
Yep. Oh.
This work for you guys?
Turn it on.
Y'all wouldn't be on that TV hardly at all if we were out and about.
And we would be in the fridge. The fridge? We would drive.
This isn't too bad, Mom.
How does this work? Look, can't open it.
Don't break it, please. I'll help you open it.
Oh.
Try at the top of that, Leah. At the top of the handle and pull out. There you go.
Oh, it, like,
Hang on, let's see. Is it gonna work?
It kind of clicks.
yeah. Like, you gotta.
Well, I think that'll work. Looks about like at home.
It was something like that.
You have a what, Leah?
We have a secret hideout in this camper. Want to go down there? Look, that's where we play. Can we go down there? That's where we'll play.
No, we're not going to go down there right now.
If we buy this, this is where we'll play.
Oh, it is?
That'll be our
Okay.
play area. We'll have toys down there. And,
Lil, would you and Daddy and Mommy fit in that bed?
no.
So does that mean you would stay in your bed
Yep.
every night?
Yeah, because Leah's going to be in my bed.
I love this little coat rack and a place for all this stuff right as you walk in the door.
And I have a light that we can start.
That's awesome.
What are you doing?
I'm scared.
You're 6 inches off the ground.
Oh. We have friends! Oh, and there's a closet! A light! This is awesome! And there's 4x5! There's 4x5! This is awesome! This is so awesome. This is awesome. I mean, I can't believe
mean, you stick pretty plates in something and we're sold.
Did that keep
I like that other one because they utilize that space for like shoes and all of the just the
This is
stuff.
very small, but it's laid out very well.
It is. It is a lot. Is it smaller than the first couple we saw?
It may not be.
oh, this one's big. Whoa. This is big.
Oh, the sink's outside. That's no space inside the bathroom, I bet. So you have. I don't know. I think if we were, like, if we're talking about really doing, it's be tight.
Yeah, there's no slide out. That's the difference.
Mm-hmm. That was a good time.
Good time, good time.
RV. Back through. Are we in Little Rock or North? We're in Little Rock right now, right?
We're in Little Rock.
In Little Rock, because we crossed the bridge.
We're at the State House Convention Center.
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. That's a nice RV show. It was packed. We could have stayed there a couple hours, right?
We could have stayed there a couple more hours.
Several hours. Yeah, we went through pretty quick. I saw some.
We didn't go through anything.
I saw some that I liked though. Did you?
Wait.
Girls, did y'all see any you liked?
The one with the hideout.
You like the hideout thing?
Me too.
I think Daddy liked that one too.
I did.